Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, the verdict is in. We have heard a pronouncement from the man himself. Satguru Mahara has pronounced that Tinubu, the looter of Lagos State, is the best candidate for the Nigerian presidency in 2023. So Tinubu can go rest easy and be soaking gari and eating ekpa and just wait till 2023 because Satguru Mahara has now pronounced him as the best option for the country. So with that guys, I bring you this. Guru Maharaji speaks on Tinubu's 2023 presidential ambition. So that's the headline. Guru Maharaji speaks on Tinubu's 2023 presidential ambition. So now let's see what the Nigerian Indian man has to say this time around. The founder of One Love Family, Satguru Maharaji, has described the APC national leader, Senator Bola Tinubu, as fit and suitable for presidency from the southern parts of the country in 2023. Maharaji stated this on Wednesday at a news conference held at his Maharaji village to herald the family's Golden Age Festival. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that Maharaji said, "Anybody can become the president of Nigeria as long as he or she places the interest of the country above personal interest. If there is anyone who is fit in the south, it is Senator Bola Tinubu. So I will offer him for the president if the presidency would be zoned to the southwest. This is because he has been able to play the role of a mobilizer and a bridge builder across the country. Also, Peter Obi is a fine choice from the southeast," he said. Maharaji added that there was no rift between President Muhammadu Buhari and Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, saying it was the fifth columnist creating crisis between the two leaders. He called on the government to establish education bank to avail indigent Nigerians access to quality education. Maharaji expressed dissatisfaction with the state of affairs of the country, urging Buhari to do more in salvaging the situation. Nigeria has the highest number of mosques and churches but can't produce a pen. We need to get our priorities right by making our factories more functional. We must also ensure that more jobs are created for our teeming youths to be fully engaged. We're a nation blessed with resources and industrious youths, he said. So there you have it now. Guru Maharaji, no less a person, has now pronounced that Tinubu is the best candidate for Nigeria for 2023. So although he put so many caveats there that if he's zoned to the southwest and if he goes to the southeast it's Peter Obi, etc., but at least he's now endorsing Tinubu as his preferred Yoruba candidate, and I wonder if dollar bags changed hands before he made this pronouncement. Conversations in the comment section. The Nigerian Indian has now put his backing behind Tinubu, so he's gone on now for the Ashiwaju of Bodilion. Come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section, but before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of these nonsensities. I have to describe it as a nonsense, really, because really, who pays heed to what Guru Maharaji has to say is really where my question is, really, and that is why I am qualifying it as a nonsense. But if you do not consider it nonsensical, come tell me why and explain your reasons and how you view it in the comment section. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's have a conversation around this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join in the comment section, but here I say peace.